I would like to call Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, my dearest mother, Iyaloja Shade, Ufolashade Tinubu Ojo, Mami, as I used to call you. You are very nice. You are nice and nice. Very simple. That is why I'm calling on your name, ma. I want you to listen to this. But before then, ma, I would like to call on our sweet mother, Mrs. Tinubu, which is our first lady, Mrs. Oluremi.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Lizzy Anjorin sọ ìdí tí òfin búlì àwọn tí a pè ní TVC News. Ó sọ ìdí tí ó fi drag wọn o. Ó sọ ìdí náà, àwọn ìdí tó pàtàkì nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èyí tó kù.
Tinubu, and I would like to call on our father, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Do I want justice? I have handed that over to God. All I want is thorough investigation. For the first time in Lagos State, I want us to be plain. I want the whole Nigerians all over the world, home and abroad, at least to have hope in us. I want thorough investigation concerning the Eko matter. I want you to listen to this video.
You ever leave the house? Has she?
Well, that's what they're saying online. I video online of a lot of the situation, and apparently
because of 91,000, just 91,000. See what you do for a whole celebrity, Lizzy Anjorin. Watch.
Okay. Now, I purposely played that video over and over. A presenter Titilayo from TVC said the lost gold was found on her. Do they sell gold at Tom Jones? Look at the TVC presenter, Titilayo. Do they sell gold? Is there anybody looking for gold? Was any gold found on me? What do they sell at Tom Jones? We want thorough investigations. And we want the whole world to know what they sell and what really transpired between me and the people at Tom Jones. As you all can see, the karma came for them too fast, so soon than what anybody can imagine. The karma came so fast. I am not after the justice. Even Mohbad have not gotten any justice. The first Nigerian pilot